Uh, they say creativity is the mother of invention. So how do you become that creative? And how do you live a life of creativity? There's a lot of things you can do. One best way for you to be creative is you can take, for example, 1 hour, an hour every day, Monday to Friday, even if you don't want to use the weekend. So you try and do that in a very early hours. Let's say you wake up early, take a piece of plain paper, write the blank paper, write the subjects, and sit down. Let your mind, imagination run around the topic or something you're working on, and then start noting down ideas. Try to get up to 20 ideas within that 20 hours, that 1 hour. You don't need to, when an idea flash through your mind, you don't need to be think about it. Just write it down. Let it flow. If you don't have up to 20, that's fine. But whatever is flowing through your mind, you write it down. These ideas are something that you go through. So if you can put 20 ideas every day for 5 days, that will give you 100 ideas in a week. And within that week, you can go through and check the idea from time to time. There are some that you'll be able to develop into something. There are some that will worth nothing, but you keep on having that idea and then holding it, and you'll be able to get something out of it. Thank you. You can form that an habit. Bye.